Hi there and welcome to Ask Bondi Vet, proudly brought to you by Bondi Vet Pet Insurance. Pete Laser with you, and as always, one of our Bondi Vets comes to join us, Dr. Danni today. Hi Danni.
Hello.
So the question today is from Carly, and Carly asks, how can I stop my dog from being so afraid of loud noises? When the vacuum cleaner or the lawnmower is running, our Staffy shakes and is so afraid. He cowers in the corner or tries to run away from home. Any suggestions to help him relax with the noises?
Oh, poor little Staffy, it's awful. It is really common for dogs to have noise phobias, so it can be a tricky thing to tackle.
If it's a common problem, hopefully there's a common solution that works.
There's certainly ways to try and desensitise them at home. So the first thing you could try is getting whatever it is that he's afraid of, say the vacuum for an example. The first thing you want to do is pop the vacuum into the space, not making any noise, and just try and get your Staffy used to it being there and see if he's stressed with its presence at all. And you can use positive reinforcement like treats and verbal praise to help get him settled with that vacuum being present. Once you're happy that he's coping with the vacuum just being in the room or in the yard, wherever you're going to do this practice, you can start by turning on the vacuum but keeping him a long way away so no one's moving the vacuum around, and just see how close you can get him being comfortable. So you'll keep needing to give those treats, give the verbal praise until eventually you can get him right up close to that vacuum. The next step is then to get the vacuum moving, etc. So you can see where it goes. You just want to gradually increase that intensity of that noise and how close it is to his space. And hopefully by giving that positive reinforcement, you're going to desensitize him to his phobia. But certainly there's other things that you can try adjunctively with that. There are jackets that you can get that are specifically designed to help with noise phobias like thunderstorms, and they place pressure around the body to give them a bit of security to make them a little less fearful. So that's another thing you can try at the same time. Some
fantastic tips there, Danni, but what if all else fails?
Sometimes that noise phobia can be just so severe that the dogs can get themselves into a lot of trouble. So if you are worried about the safety of your dog, I would suggest heading straight down to the vet because you may need some medical support, some anti-anxiety medication, something to really help settle him. And then you can continue with the desensitization with that on board, and then hopefully wean him off those anti-anxiety medications in the future.
Great advice. Thanks, Danni.
No worries.
If you've got a question, make sure you get onto our Facebook site or else bondivet.com/questions. Of course, if you've got any specific questions, please go and see your vet. That's it for now. Bye.
This episode was brought to you by Bondi Vet Pet Insurance. Get your best friend covered today at bondivet.com.
Hi, I'm Dr. Danni Dusek from Bondi Vet. If you love our show and want to see more, plus some amazing content about pets and how to care for them, hit the subscribe button. Click that little notification bell and we'll see you on our next video.